A firewall is a software, a hardware, or both in your computer which monitors incoming and outgoing network traffic. Your firewall decides whether to allow or block specific traffic based on a defined set of security rules. Since data cannot be sent as a whole, it is broken up into manageable data packets that make up the initially transmitted entity. It serves as a filtration system for the incoming and outgoing traffic. A firewall adds a layer of security to your computer between a system and malicious attacks. The first one is the inbound rules. They apply to traffic that is coming from the network or the internet to your Windows computer or device. The second one is the outbound rules. These rules apply to traffic that is originating from your computers, users, programs, services, ports, or protocols. The third is the connection security rules. These are less common rules that are used to secure the traffic between two specific computers while it crosses the network. The first step is to go to our computer settings, then choose Update and Security option. Then, from the left side, choose Windows Security. From the option, select Firewall and Network Protection. As for my computer, the firewalls are already on. To turn it off, select a specific network, for example, the domain network. Then, press the on and off button to turn it off, and on if otherwise. Then private network, the same procedure. Public network, click on it, then turn it off.